So it's a radio-controlled 360 rally car. Wow.
Mommy, look at the back, Mommy. If
Yeah.
you have a blue one, a red one, or
It comes in a different
Or
color,
blue
yes?
one.
So what do you have there? You have the black one.
yeah, like
Yeah.
this
Well, you have a nice costume today, Brox.
one. Yeah,
What are you wearing?
Captain America.
Ooh, cool. Captain America.
Okay, I'm back in town.
This is so cool. I wonder if does really go spin around. So it's spinning stunt vehicle with lead lights. It rotates 360 degrees as a single wheel, full function wireless remote control, radio control. Wow, very nice. So this is one of Brox's present. Is that right, Broxy?
Yeah.
You got this as a present? Wow, that looks so big. Oh. Captain America can't wait. You just break it. Wow. So how many batteries do we need, Ate? 4 AA. And then there's another one, 9 volts for the remote control, yeah? This is how it looks like. Look at all these big wheels, bro. So we put in 9 volts battery for our remote control. And now we're gonna put our battery here. There you go, Brooksy. We're gonna put batteries. So how many batteries? 4. Is it AA?
Yep.
4 AA. Ooh, there you are. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, go! Whoop! Where did it go? Press another button. So if you press that button there in the front, is it the 2 wheels are turning, Brox?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you press this button here, there's only 1 wheel that moving on the back. And then the next one, so it's the right one that moves in there. There you go. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, this is super cool, bro. Up, up. Come on, Captain America. It loves to slam on the edge of the road. Where's it gone? Under the car. Silly bro. Come back here. Come back here. Ah.